Dude, I'm gonna be dreaming about tightening bolts all night. So it's day number 6 of our Jeep build. Day number 2 of our, what's it called? A rack? Like a
rack build?
A rack, tail rack or whatever.
Bed
rack.
Why day number 6? Has it been that long?
Well, because we did the wrap, we did the...
Oh, okay. Yeah.
We did the fenders. I just made up the number. It's not actually day number 6. All we needed was like a good night's sleep to clear our heads, and now this is easy. Piece of cake. It's basically like building Legos.
We tried to go off of the instructions a little bit, but then we decided, you know what? We're gonna make this our own project.
By the way, guys, those that are making those videos, don't go from building it to having it already completely on the bed. Done. Neighbor State Farm is there. So these pieces, one of the sides doesn't have any threads, and then the other side has the threads. Those are the ones that go here. So bring it on in, John. We got our glue here on there, and then this just goes right here like this. Is this a family-friendly one, John, or can I swear when it doesn't go the way I want it to? So right now we're just leaving it pretty loose. That way we can adjust it if we need to. And once everything's put together, then we'll go back and tighten all the screws. No, just kidding. Can you cut the part out where I spit all over the place? Sorry.
I'm still going on screws.
John didn't like my little bag idea. But
no, I think if we put on a cap, it'd be easier too. All right, so we're gonna have to go get another that fits this.
We don't have one?
None of these do.
Really?
It goes from a standard to metric.
We don't have metric?
Well, maybe in that box somewhere at the bottom. Though we don't.
Okay, which one's the one for?
So you can keep building these, Susan. I'll run and I'll get just that one.
This was the last one. Oh, had it upside down. So these are crossbars. That's all we have. But we understand what it is. Leo drew this. This is if the Jeep flips over, the wheels will be up like that, and this will serve as a roll cage. Or he drew it upside down. So this is a trick I learned in Auto Tech back in '99. Get one of these. Right. And we're going to push this so that you can see the screw hole. See that? And then this one goes in here. We are back in business.
Yes, we are.
¿Te echo más aquí?
Yep, perfect.
Mistakes were made. Culprits were found. Turns out, culprit is right here. I didn't tighten it enough, and so it fell out. So right now we're just leaving it pretty loose. So when you guys go to do it, make sure it's at least tight enough so that when you move it, they don't fall out. But quick fix. He is mad, but there's a saying.
He has to get over it.
There's a saying in Mexico that. Well, there's a saying. I'll just leave it at that. Oh, you put it backwards? Okay. One more mistake was made. But
now there's going to be a lot of mistakes.
But you know what? That's how you learn. You don't learn from doing stuff right. You learn from the mistakes you make.
The video, whether this goes on the back or the front, I would expect it to go on the this part? This bracket.
Do you use these mounting holes at all? Because it doesn't make sense that this is just clamped like a camper either.
What do you mean?
I feel that it has to be clamped onto the bed because it's...
No, bro.
No, he ordered a special thing that's over there.
Yeah, when you went and that you forgot everything, I explained to Jesus like what I ordered.
Can you explain to us?
Look, either it's gonna work or it's not.
So this, the way you mount it to the bed, because that's one thing that we forgot yesterday. Well, that we couldn't figure out yesterday, and then now we got these pinch plates. These pinch plates is going to hold the rack to the bed.
Our followers are used to us talking about you. So if we don't,
they're like, why are you leaving John out?
Behind the scenes, he's telling us that he doesn't want to record anymore because it's just us putting screws in, which is fine. But I'm telling him that the important part is the conversations we're having.
Yeah, the dialogue we're having on how we're making this work.
Yep.
Without instructions.
Yeah. We made our own instructions. Show him your drawing. You know. I mean, again, because we already showed it to him. Just don't tell me.
Was it this one? Yeah, it was this one. And as soon as understood me exactly what I was doing.
Yep. You have it upside down, by the way.
Shit. Oh, yeah.
Yeah. So the other one is in case we roll over.
Yeah, that's in case we had to do it. If we had to hang the truck from the ceiling. Yeah. But we're not doing that. We're having it like this.
So that one, this functions as a roll cage too.
Yeah. So when you roll, like you're still covered.
Yeah, we're good. We're good. I think we're ready to try this.
Okay.
So this is gonna go over there, right?
No.
In the back. This goes in the back.
Yeah. Whoa.
This part of these. Can you cut for a second? We're gonna solve a problem real quick.
No.
Oh.
No, keep it rolling.
Keep it rolling.
Like, this is where we're gonna. So if we do it to the other side, this is gonna be stuck in here, and this is gonna be way back.
So that one's good. There.
Yes, correct.
So this is the one that needs to go.
Just flip it right now.
Just flip it over.
Yep. Yeah, let's get the spacing right, and then we'll put these on.
Okay.
This is where this is gonna go.
Oh.
You follow me? And then
yeah.
It's
gonna have here and then here. So here and here.
They just go like this. Both the plates go like this.
Okay. So it's not gonna have one from here to
no.
here on this side.
No, because when you open it, you have to have an opening.
So
here.
this goes up there then.
So you know what, Jesus? Let's put one of these together.
Okay.
Yeah, let's put one of these together. See how do they go on? Yeah, let's see how they mount more than anything.
Yeah. Hey John, while we do this, can you take these out? You just push them, and then they come out real easy.
So John wants to interview you, and we're gonna keep working on the whole episode today is building the rack.
Yeah, it's a.
What do you want to know from me, John?
It's a 7-part mini series.
What are your thoughts on them taking them 2 days on putting this rack together?
2 days I'm putting a rack together. I don't know what kind of rack it is. It might take him longer than 2 days. It looks like. I mean, it's the second day, right? So yeah, it's probably gonna take him. They won't finish it today. They won't do anything tomorrow. Next week, for sure, they're not gonna work on it. So they will probably finish it beginning of December.
So one of the things we learned right now is the proper setup for this. So it goes this thing, this thing, this thing, and this thing, huh?
Correct.
Okay. So, do you want an update?
Yep.
So, we're still making these. There has been progress. It's just been really
There it
slow.
is. Look at this. Bam.
Yeah. Look. See all those? They're good. Wait till you guys see the time lapse that we're working on. Hi, John. That camera is time lapsing the roof in case it rains. YouTube won't.
You know
push
what?
our
We
stuff.
should do a video. We should do an Uncle and I video about talking about like financial advice between Craig and John.
That'd be great. I think we need to bring that show back.
We do. It's a great show.
Can you guys let us know if you guys want that show brought back?
Yeah, seriously.
Or do you want to start a new show, My Primo and I? I think that'd be funner.
And what?
Because we're entertaining you guys more than...
Craig and John screaming at each other?
We should do our own show versus their show and see which one does better. Ooh. I mean, ours has better funding, but... we won't fund theirs.
That'll probably end up making Craig spend money.
They're basically the same thing as the brass bolt. They're silver. It kind of matches the silver bracket. So if you come in here...
What are you recording, John? What? My little mistake here? Well, we all make mistakes.
¿Qué pasó?
Huh?
The thing de overlay.
Yeah, todavía.
If you just push aside, y si nomás la puches al lado, se voltean.
Yeah. But it's still not coming out. So right now we By we, I mean Leo took the executive decision of postponing a podcast. We were gonna go record one right after this, but since we're still not done, technically there can't be an after if there's not a before. I sound like John right now, huh? That was confusing. But anyway, we're gonna do a live instead. So by the time this comes out, the live probably already passed. But and then you do it in slow motion while you're walking like this. Okay, yeah.
When we're done, this is gonna be probably half glue. The truck to bed's gonna be half glued. Or I spill glue every time I grab it. I spill it.
That's why he didn't like my idea of the bag. He used foam on that one.
I use foam and I drop the whole foam.
So right now we're putting the thing that's gonna hold the doors. So on those doors, I think you can mount stuff, right?
Yep.
That's what they're for. And so those are cool because you lift it, you get out of the way, so you can get access to whatever you have in the back.
To the bed of the truck. Yep.
What's your favorite John messed this up story? Did you stop recording?
John messed this up. Man, I don't know. We've had so many.
Yeah.
The most recent one is the vacuum one.
What did you do with the vacuum? Oh, the vacuum one, yeah.
The vacuum, he assembled everything just because it went together, but never thought of attachments.
Yeah.
It made it work but it worked, huh? How many
times have you cussed me out not being there?
Oh, a lot.
Yeah, I know.
Every
A lot.
I think you call me after you've calmed down.
Yeah, probably. He would leave the plow on, and it kills the battery, and then we have a snowstorm coming in, and I have to go plow, but the battery's dead, and I have to sit there and jump the thing, and oh man.
Maybe I shouldn't have asked this question, huh?
Pissed off right now.
Yeah.
It's pissing me off.
What's your favorite story of me?
Where we filmed that one where you got fired and you were walking with your stuff, with your case, and none of us told you to stop, and we let you keep walking and walking, and we weren't even recording anymore.
Did you call your Uncle Craig and tell him we're not doing a podcast?
No.
Did you?
No.
You didn't?
No.
I thought you sent him a message.
No, because I thought we were going to bring the stuff here.
Uh-oh. Go call him, por.
No, I'm mad at him right now.
Dude, it's 4 o'clock.
I'm mad at him still.
Has he called you? If he has, there's no
I
signal.
don't get service, so probably.
Go call him, por. Craig, if you're seeing this video, John, Craig, if you're seeing this, we didn't forget about the podcast.
John forgot to call you.
We just, John just forgot to send you a message like we told him to.
So John said that it'd be nicer to do a live podcast just for like Thanksgiving and run the live one. And he's going to start pushing it tomorrow. And then you guys can call me, I told him.
On the day before or like on the Monday after?
On Monday.
Monday.
El lunes.
So we have one for this Monday, don't we?
He does.
Yeah. Or we can do it the following Monday.
Or we can do it the following Monday
When you get back.
and do a live. Oh yeah, we can do it the following Monday. John's not going to be here.
Yeah. Perfect. Yeah, let's do it on the 27th.
Yeah, just say everything. Hope you guys had a great
we borrow your
Thanksgiving weekend,
YOLO?
whatever. Just talk about that.
Maybe we can call it our December live, even though it's not December.
No, just say
No,
like the
We
day of
still have
the.
to do it in November, don't we? No. Did we
did
do it
it.
in November already?
We did it in November.
Oh.